How to install your smart Wi-Fi neon light strip from Nexxt Home. On the selected mounting surface, trace the design you want the LED strip to follow. Then mark out the spots to place the plastic mounting clips. You can use two methods to attach the LED strip to the surface using the mounting clips. You can drill bores to insert the provided anchors and then screw the clips tightly to the surface. Or you can use the provided double-face tape to firmly stick the mounting clips onto the surface. Plug the power adapter into a wall outlet and the LED strip will automatically turn on. The lights will start blinking to indicate that it has entered pairing mode. Press the Smart Controller power button for 8 seconds to pair the device with the app manually. With this, you have learned how to install your smart Wi-Fi neon light strip from Nexxt Home.